Check, check. All right, guys. Welcome back to the stream. This is CXX Men Television reporting for you live from Murfreesboro, Tennessee. We actually have a risk for very severe storms on Wednesday. We got a categorographic highest of a moderate in Tennessee. This includes Memphis, Tennessee, Jackson, Mississippi, Baton Rouge, LA, Alabama, and Tuscaloosa, Alabama. And then we also got the tornado graphic, which includes the highest risk includes Baton Rouge, LA. This includes Baton Rouge, LA, Mobile, Alabama, Jackson, Mississippi, Tuscaloosa, Alabama, and Gulfport, Mississippi. The possibility tornado damaging wind graphic, we got a very high risk on that. Highest risk will be up in Memphis, Tennessee, Jackson, Mississippi, Tuscaloosa, Alabama, Jackson, Tennessee, and Monroe, LA. And pretty much all the large hail extends through the whole risk. So that's that. And we're gonna keep our eye on this here. This is they are talking about the Storm Prediction Center has talked about this to be a very strong storm system. So we are actually going to keep our eye on this as much as we can before the storm actually hits. You could there's almost certain there's going to be a watch. So we do also have a fire weather risk, so we have to keep our eye on that too. Folks, do not light your trash on fire. That is a stupid idea when there's elevated fire risk in the area. So please do not light anything on fire outside. So that or else you'll burn the place down. So anyways, we also have a wind advisory, which is key for bad weather. So this includes pretty much all the Tennessee counties of Bedford, Cannon, Coffee, Cheatham, Clay, Coffee, Cumberland, Davidson, DeKalb, Dixon, Fentress, Giles, Grundy, Hickman, Houston, Humphreys, Jackson, Lawrence, Lewis, Macon, Marshall, Maury, Montgomery, Overton, Pickett, Perry, Putnam, Robertson, Rutherford, which is my county, Smith, Stewart, Sumner, Charlesdale, Van Buren, Warren, Wayne, White, Williamson, and Wilson, Tennessee. So that is pretty much includes all the OHX counties, most of them. So if not all of them. So as you can see, we'll take a look at the hazardous weather outlook here, just so you can get some ideas of what it says. So it says mostly from this is reporting from the I believe it is the National Weather Service. Yes, it is. It says day 1 today and tonight, no hazardous weather expected at this time. Days 2 through 7, Wednesday through Monday. Strong to severe storms are possible Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday evening. Damaging winds are the primary threat, but tornadoes are also possible. In addition, thunderstorms, non-thunderstorm west wind gusts up to 45 miles an hour are expected mid-morning hours on Wednesday through Wednesday evening. Spotter activation statement. Spotter activation will likely be needed, which is, yes, it will be needed. So please relay any information about observed severe weather to National Weather Service while following all local, state, and CDC guidelines. So, guys, if you spot severe weather, please don't bother to report it to the National Weather Service. I had to report a flash flood one time, so please don't be shy. They will look up on that and don't be shy, all right? Because we need to get very early. We need to get the earliest warnings out there possible. So we're gonna go ahead and share you the radar here. There's not much going on the radar as of now, especially in other parts of the state or the United States right now. So we do have some rain up by Evansville, but this is not what's gonna blow up. This is not what's gonna blow up and become a massive storm cell. We're looking to be what it looks like to be a very strong storm system and could be a very vicious tornado outbreak. So what we're gonna do is that we are going to put this in motion here, if I can. There you go. As you can see, the rain is moving pretty fast, which gives a sign that there is some bad weather on the way. It does appear to be quite cloudy outside right now, not like stormy cloudy, but like just cloudy. So this will be hitting pretty this will be hitting around this will be hitting around the morning and afternoon hours tomorrow. So we we also have an area forecast discussion. Let's go ahead and look at that here. I'm going to share this tab instead. Southerly flows return to lower levels, upper ridge, sliding eastward. Temps have warmed up into the 60s, even the low 70s, with moisture returning into the surface as well. The strong upper surface will be moving east from the plains will take place of the ridge tonight and tomorrow. The pave our way for the strong to severe storm threat tomorrow. The surface low and pressure gradient will tighten through tomorrow, as well as giving up the midstate 20 to 30 miles sustained wind gusts up to around 50 miles an hour, possibly Wednesday late morning through the evening. So like I said, there is going to be, there's going to be the worst of the stuff is planned to hit by is looking like it's going to hit late morning through the evening hours. Like I just said, the higher elevations could see wind gusts over 50 miles an hour. These winds will be capable of bringing down trees and potentially causing power outages before the showers of storm arrive in the late afternoon and evening. So definitely make preparations today to get any loose objects and put somewhere safe before those strong winds arrive tomorrow morning. These ones will be stronger than what we saw in the past few weeks, and will be from mid morning to evening. So this afternoon and evening is the time to prep, move any items outside vulnerable to strong winds during the day Wednesday. So that's why they issued a wind advisory, because basically they're talking for very strong gusts in the wind advisory. So that's my statement, and or that's the National Weather Service's statement. So we got some, like I said, this isn't going to be a very big threat to any of us. So we're going to keep updated on this. We'll be live as much as we possibly can. So Apple Lover just said hi. How you doing? Basically, we are going to keep our eye on this, and we are going to keep you updated for as much as we possibly can. I'm going to be recording alerts and all that. So again, we'll stay up to date. I'll peace out.